Hey friends, I thought I'd pop in here really quick and show you how to reuse your Bath and Body Works pumps when they're out, so you can reuse and repurpose these. So I had showed you guys a couple weeks ago that you can take any soap. I'm going to use our Scentsy soap. I have two different types here. I have pineapple, coconut, vanilla, and then Luna. I think I'm going to use Luna because this is in our bedroom and this is more of like a relaxing sleep one. And that what was in here was wild lavender mint. And we're out, and I really love the pump hand soaps, and I found like I can leave these out and I can leave these out. My boyfriend always uses this because he doesn't like the soap, he doesn't like the gel, he likes the foam. But when you buy the foam, you're paying for water, and who wants to pay for water? We've got water here. I mean, you're probably paying your water bill. So you're gonna take your empty bottle. You guys can't see it, but is that right? I don't know why I'm having trouble here. Please hold. Okay, because this was preventing it. You have to take that off. So anyway, I'm going to use Luna. However, we have these in a set of 3 holiday scents. They're limited edition. We still have some of our fall holiday scents if you love those falling leaves and pumpkins and all of that, but now we have like the pine and the Christmas scents out. These come in a set of 3. This will make your soap go so much further and last so much longer. So I'm just going to I gotta get the pump going. It probably would be easier to take the pump off here and just pour in what I need, but you really don't need a lot of this. I want enough of it. This is kind of thick, our soap. I want enough of it that it's going to really, scent my hands up, but clean it. But this is such a great way to make this go a whole lot further. And all of our soap is non-toxic and is scented with essential oils. So let's see how that's doing. It smells wonderful. I'll put a little bit more in. Okay, I think that's probably enough. I'm just going to sort of take this and mix it up. Actually, I'm going to shake it up. And I brought a little thing here so I can wipe my hands off. So I just want to show you that it works. Oh, there we go. Hold on. Here it comes. Oops. All brand new. This was an empty bottle. Now I can wash my hands. It smells wonderful. So just a really fun, easy way to repurpose these. I will have a link down below if you guys want to pick these up. I know Julie picked some up, and you can buy, I had a link on Amazon for actually like the foam dispensers, which if you want, I can link for you, but I wanted to also just show you how you can go ahead and reuse these. If you want, you can change the scents on here. You can just put a little label over, you can make your own label. So the one that I just made was Luna. Now, if I were to give these as a gift, I would give a pack of 3 of these plus a 3-pack of the foaming dispensers so they can make their own. Or you can buy these and make a day of it and make a whole bunch of pretty soaps and put them in pretty containers and give them to your friends, and then you can give them the remaining soap so that they can make more when they run out. But that's really going to make your soap go so much longer, because now I have a full jar of soap with a few pumps, and I still have like so much in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really cute, quick tutorial. I've got a little friend who needs to go out now. I'll see you in a little bit.